Thanks so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. So my name is Grace Gould. I run Soda Says, where we are taking on the unglamorous world of consumer electronics manufacturing. So we're a consumer electronics retail business. And consumer electronics is a $2.7 trillion industry. It is highly commoditized, and as our lovely VC investors keep telling us, it's dominated by Amazon. So what could we possibly be doing differently? So as I think there's probably a few marketeers and journalists in the room, I wanted to start with a story. We launched the business a year ago, and we were lucky enough to have Lisa Armstrong, the fashion editor of The Telegraph, do a little piece on us. She spoke about one of our products, which was a little USB-powered fabric shaver, which she compared to be the Kirsty Young of gadgets, sort of silky smooth. And this little piece of press here garnered us £30,000 of sales and 500 new customers in 3 days. But what was super interesting about these customers is the vast majority of them were women over the age of 65. And this showed us that with the right ingredients, the right tone of voice, the right brand ambassadors, and the right placement, we could target a completely different audience for technology retail. Now, as a business, we don't just sell debubblers. We curate the best technology products on the market, from connected home, beauty tech, sleep tech, and we also make our own products. We have a data-driven supply chain, and coming from my background, sort of spending time managing factories in Shenzhen. Our customer is different. One of the biggest stereotypes is that women aren't early adopters of tech. This simply is not true. Women are actually historically involved in 80% of the purchasing decisions in consumer electronics. That's a lot, but selling to women, selling to me, selling to my mom, selling to my sister is a lot more than just shrink it and pink it. And quite frankly, the existing consumer electronics retail isn't fit for purpose. We have the beautiful brand churches, your Apple store, your Samsung store, which are wonderful but sell about 10 products. Or you have your big box retailers, your Carphone, Dixon's, your Best Buy, which are just, a bit grim. And how do we know this? So I used to work at Apple Retail, and our head of retail used to work at Carphone Warehouse. But where's the Farfetch for consumer electronics? Where's the Glossier for consumer electronics? Where's the brand and sort of the vibrancy? Enter Soda Says, short for School of the Digital Age. We're a content and commerce brand selling and making tech for women. And the content aspect is interesting. We launched as a retail business, but our customers wanted more. They started emailing us saying kind of, how much time should my kid be spending on a screen? What kind of smartphone should I get my 13-year-old girl? And we hired Jackie Annesley, the formidable newspaper journalist, to run our content arm. And it's worked. We've been called the Zeitgeist Online Emporium by the London Evening Standard. We've been called the future of retail by the Sunday Times. Yet to have anything from Wired, but I'm hoping, I'll leave this on for a few seconds, and I'm hoping someone in the room, hi Vicky, could do a piece on us at some point. And we definitely shouldn't win this. Olio is doing far more important stuff. And we grow by partnering with the world's leading department stores. So Selfridges, who are actually in the room at the moment, have been a fantastic partner for us. We have a concession in Selfridges London. We have a concession in Brown Thomas Dublin. And we really view this as our negative customer acquisition costs. We live in a new world with retail. We can't rely on kind of big performance marketing budgets. We've got to think about innovative ways where we can grow our customer base. And we're growing quickly. We're opening up 10 more stores in North America in 3 weeks' time, which is why we're all a bit bleary-eyed, in partnership with Nordstrom and Neiman Marcus. Again, if anyone wants to write about that, here's my details. So that's us. Soda Says, School of the Digital Age. Thank you.